For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Many diseases are known to transmit from pregnant mother to her child. Many expecting parents are worried about whether a pregnant woman with COVID-19 can transmit the disease to her child. A few cases of the virus transmitting from mother to child have been reported world over. A recent study has found that such transmissions are rare. The study was conducted by experts from the School of Medicine at the University of Nottingham. The study is published in BJOG, an international journal of obstetrics and gynecology. The study undertook a review of 49 studies on the same topic. The study found that vaginal birth, breastfeeding and contact with mother did not make a huge difference to the rate of infection. It establishes that in a COVID-19 infected mother, a vaginal birth or a C-section almost carried the same risk of contraction to the child. The study also found that of the babies who tested positive for COVID-19, most were asymptomatic. The studies reviewed included 666 newborn babies and 655 mothers. Of the participants, 292 had a natural birth. 8 of the 292 women who gave birth naturally had a baby who was COVID-19 positive. This means a mere 2.7% of natural births resulted in the child contracting the disease. Shockingly, caesarean delivery had a higher rate of transmission than natural birth. 20 of the 364 women who delivered through caesarean had a COVID-19 positive child. This means 5.3% of the caesarean births had infants who tested positive for COVID-19. The researchers also referred to pregnancy guidelines for COVID-19 patients. The guidelines suggested having a caesarean delivery, isolating the baby from the mother, and formula feeding. The researchers found out that there was very little evidence to support these guidelines. The research finding shows that neonatal COVID-19 infection is uncommon. It also shows that physical contact with mother or breastfeeding does not make a remarkable difference to the child contracting the virus. This study could come as a sigh of relief to expecting mothers. However, expecting mothers still need to take precautions regarding COVID-19.